Hey everyone, and welcome to BTNX. Today we are diving into the world of AI powered investing with a portfolio pilot plugin for GPT. Get ready to explore how this tool can empower you to make smarter investment decisions. Portfolio Pilot is an AI driven investment advisor that analyzes your portfolio, provides personalized recommendation, and keeps you informed about macro trends. Think of it as your own robo advisor within the GPT platform. So, if you're really interested in learning AI tools, then we have a wonderful workshop with us, which I will talk in later part of this video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
Let's start the tutorial first asking that whether the GPT is familiar with David Swanson asset allocation Yale endowment model or not. So it advocates me for a long-term perspective, a strong bias towards equity and alternative investment and an avoidance of the market timings. This model has influenced not only the endowment fund but also institutional and individual investors seeking to diversify their portfolio and potentially enhance return through exposures to the broader range of asset classes. What it gives me. Again, I'll ask that create a portfolio of ETFs for the Yale model with 65% equity. Let's see how it creates the portfolio. It said that the target of 65%, approximately 8.1 to 5% of the portfolio, and sum of 65%. This is a simplified approach, and adjustment may be needed based on a specific investment goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Initially diversified the post volume based on the Yale model principle. I personally like this approach, and again, I'll ask to construct a low cost ETF portfolio of 40% total market equity, 20% of the global non US large cap equities, and 20% investment grade bonds, additionally 10% treasury, and 10% in gold. Let's see how it creates for me. Until it creates, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time, and we have seen so many layoffs, million of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? I know, but AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Let's check what captivating it has created for me. It has created that the total market equity is 40%, the expense ratio, which is ER ratio, is 0.047, and given me the non-US large cap equities of 0.05% of an expense ratio, as this portfolio provides a diversified exposure across the major asset classes, including US and international equities, corporate and government bonds, gold. Aligning with the non specified allocation criteria, each ETF was selected based on low expense ratio, diversification, and alignment with the asset class goals. As I'm not satisfied with this, again I will give a task: keep VTI and QLVD and mutual funds for India investment grade bonds 20% treasury, and in treasury 10% actually it is, and gold 10%. Let's see what it concludes for me. So basically, this portfolio is a structures provided a blend of US and international equities with a focus on both total market and developed market, excluding the US for the fixed income and gold components. It includes a specific allocation towards in Indian market securities and gold, offering a diversified and balanced approach. So basically, investors should ensure that the chosen fund of ETF align with their investment objectives, considering factors such as expense ratio, risk level, and historical performance. Moreover, it has given me where to invest and which ETF is good in domestic price of gold. Now, I would like to add 50 lakhs more to the portfolio, what it has made for me, and let's see how it adds in existing funds. This allocation is a strategy diversify the investment across US international equities, Indian fixed income, gold, aiming to balance the growth potential with income and stability while also providing a hedge against inflation and currency risk. So additionally, it has provided me with the data of fixed income commodities. Before going into actual portfolio, let's see what the market contemporaries are, as it is provided with the February contemporary as I asked for, and after that I'll ask it to make a final chart for me. Apart from the allocation, it has given me the data of market beta, which reflects the sensitivity of the asset returns to the return of market. A bit of one means that the asset price will move to market. More than one means higher volatility than the market, and the less means lower volatility. So this portfolio combines the growth through equities, VTI, QLVD, and stability and income from India bonds and treasuries. It has given me the link of portfolio details also. So please note that the link is generic placeholder of actual performance charts, and the detailed analysis investors typically use financial platforms or consult with the financial advisors to access in a specific portfolio analytics. And thank you so much for watching this video with patience. Hope you like this video, and this tool is helpful for your portfolio making. Still, you have to take suggestions from financial advisors before investing. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time, do like and subscribe for more updates like this.